What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a nice day trading recap. Check it out. All right, guys, so let's jump into this recap here. It's been a very I didn't even trade yesterday, really. Yesterday was just like nothing. It was a chill day. I actually worked on some articles I was writing. So that's pretty much it. Then it was like a chill day, guys, honestly. Like I needed a day. I even tweeted it right before like the bell. I was like, guys, I think I'm taking today off, or at least half the day off, I mentioned, because you can't run on red line like 24/7. I don't mean red line the drink. I just mean you can't red line yourself 24/7. Otherwise you work yourself into the ground and you burn out, right? You burn out and you start to not have fun doing what you do, what you like to do. So I decided to take at least half the day off and kind of like regroup, just mentally rest, honestly. As you see the rest of my recaps this week, it hasn't been much to it. I know I had 2 red days, and I don't know, I don't have my notes here. I think Monday might have been a green day, but I don't even remember. I know Tuesday and Wednesday, I think, were small red days. It's just been a real difficult week to trade. And, look at the SPY, like, what even is this? Look at this. We open up, we drop, okay? We make this fake red to green move. Good volume on this bounce here off the lows, only to get rejected and just come right back down here, make a new low, fresh new low, and then push right back up. Like, what even is that? It's just real choppy. I had a lot of stocks on watch today, a lot of small caps. I had NAVB on watch, but this opened up, did nothing, opened up and dropped. I had XSPA, opened up, dropped. Like, really? I had, what other small cap? I have more small caps. Why are they not showing up here? Oh yeah, CREX. I don't even know what to call that. Like, I don't even know. I just don't even know anymore. What else? I had another one on watch. I don't see it here. It was DRAD, D-R-A-D. There you go. Drop. Hey, I'm going to go green. Nah. Like, really difficult to trade these small caps today. So I didn't take any trades on them. There was one that did make a real nice move. Let me see here. SNDL. But that came out of nowhere. Like, that came out of nowhere. SNDL. This 105 has held up as support multiple times. Held up here, here. So that 105 would definitely be a line in the sand if I was in this trade here. Like, it would have been nice to have caught this, or caught, better yet, this little flag right here. But yeah, I'm not in this trade. But so far, I think that's the only small cap to have made a sustainable move thus far. And it's a big one. It's 65 cents all the way to $1.20, what, 27, 28? What's the high on this? $1.28. But that's it. Other than that, no other small cap really had anything for me here. And then, as we saw already, SPY didn't do much at all. So I really was unsure what to trade today. I looked at, standard BA. Oh, I kind of missed that. I looked at it in pre-market. I didn't think we'd get, it's not a huge move by any means, but that was a nice drop. Could have capitalized on some puts there. And I did look at Tesla earlier, and we had this big, like red to green move, and then so honestly, the only thing that was left for me to trade was BABA, BABA. Earnings release, I think it was in pre-market, or was it yesterday? I'm not sure, yesterday after hours. I know I had an earnings release and a massive gap down. So that was the one that I looked to trade. I'm going to bring that one up here for you. As I do me a quick favor, guys. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And comment in the comment section below. Also, remember to check out the links in the description section. Webull is back now to 2 free stocks. Don't know what happened there. Marketing department must have been like, hey, guys, 1 free stock? No, we don't want to be like everybody else. Let's do 2 free stocks like we've been doing. So they're doing 2 free stocks valued between $1,200 to $1,400. So all you got to do is download the app, deposit $100 and you can get 2 free stocks up to $1,400. So that's pretty good. And then I also have free trade down there. That app, you just download the app, open an account, and you get 1 free stock, but you don't have to fund the account. So if you do both of them, you get 3 free stocks, and that's a no-brainer. The best one I've gotten a few $20 and $30 stocks from Webull, and I got one big stock, which was BYND from free trade, and that one, when I got it, it was 90 something dollars, and I sold it for a little bit over $100. So that was really nice. I should have kept it, because last time I checked, BYND was like at $140, so that's nice. It looks like Baba might get a 90 MA VWAP crossover to the downside. So like if I was going to trade this right now, I'd look for the puts. I'd take these are the same ones I traded earlier, and get in here in this 92, 95 cent area, boom, and write it down, and see if we're going to test these lows. Maybe take some off down here in this 200 area, just a little bit, and then hold on to the rest for a test of the low, take some off there, and then hold on to a small percentage, maybe 20 to 30%, or 10 to 25% of my final size, to see if we get an extension move underneath $200. That would be what I would do if I were to trade this now. And these are same day expiration, so they're moving around really fast, and I wish I would have taken that trade. All good. I did take 2 trades on it today, and I'm up very nicely on the day. Took my first trade in here, got stopped out in this candle, I think it was, and then I jumped back in, wrote it down, took profits on the way down. Man, that is really starting to move. All right then. So let me grab the first trade here for you real quick. So first trade I'm in, 10 contracts, $1.61 cost basis. I thought about holding this 203 as my stop, but this, like doji candle in here kind of caught my my guard, I guess, put my guard up. Because this is $200, figured psychological level, kind of a little increase in volume there on that bounce. I didn't like that much, and wasn't. Oh no, this is the good trade. Yeah, I was right. Here it is. Okay. Here it is. So I have 10. I jumped in on this candle right here. As soon as we jumped up to 203 and rejected, I jumped in 10 contracts there at 160. And I was trying to get ready. You'll see me here fiddling around trying to get orders ready to put orders out. But this thing moved down so fast it didn't let me get out. I put an order out at 204 to get rid of half from 160 and no dice. Man, that was so disappointing. So disappointing, because you can see, look, they're already going off at $2. I'm in at 160. Okay. Look at that. For a second there, I'm up $309 on this trade. But man, really frustrating, honestly. I try to put an order out there at 204. You see it there. I click sell to close, 204, 5 contracts. But as soon as it tapped down here, it starts to bounce right back up. And look at these. These were at $1.90. They're already at my entry. I was like, come on, man. Are you kidding me right now? Look at that, 151 already. I was so upset. Was not happy right there. And then the candle starts to turn green. I'm like, are you seriously going to tell me this is about to break over 203? We're already at $1.40. I'm like, are you kidding me right now? I couldn't believe what had just happened there. I couldn't get those 5 off down there. I was so mad, so mad. And then this candle opens up above 202, nice volume, big wick that got bought right back up. I know it's a doji, but at the same time, it's an indication of a possible trend reversal. I know 203 is where I was looking, plus VWAP is there, but I got shook out, man. I really got shook out right there. I take 5 off there just in case, and then it starts to move up a little bit, and I'm like, I don't see right there. I'm like, all right, gone. And I take off the other 5 because I was afraid we were just gonna, try to red to green move this, and I'm like, come on, man, this is ridiculous. It was a shame because, we were down there. I could have had my first take profit, and it would have allowed me to hold on to those other 5, much longer. But it moved down so fast, and I couldn't get my order out. It was very disappointing. So then once we got that rejection there on the level with the VWAP, and it dropped underneath 203, I was like, okay, I'm going to give this another shot. Jump right back in. Same cost basis, same share size, contract size, and same exact plan, okay? So here we are. it starts to drop. But this time I'm ready. As you can see, I'm already ready. I got 205 ready to put those out there. And I think I'm already on the ask. I think. Yeah, there we go. They're gone. You saw I had 10. See, I have 10 there. They're gone. Boom. Those are instantly gone. I'm like, not playing around this time. I'm going to instantly put out my target, my first target. And now I'm going to hold on to these 5 and see what we can get out of them. I want to see volume start to increase. And I want to see volume bars get big. 1 million shares as we drop underneath 201. That's what I'm thinking, you know? Let's fast forward this a little bit so the video doesn't go on too long. I'm in at 162 on these final 5. And I'm going to piece out these final 5. I'm not going to sell them all outright. There we go. See, we get a new low. We put in a new low. Volume increases again. I put out an order to sell 3 out of these 5 at 210. Right there. They get filled, bam, and the ask goes off to 215, 219, and I have 2 contracts left. Okay, volume didn't increase dramatically how I wanted up here to 1.1 million zone. I wanted it to be bigger than this bar, but still, nonetheless, it's good volume on that new low. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna hold on to these 2, and I'm gonna see if I break them up into, you know, 1 sell each. Then we start to bounce there, and I'm like, why? But as long as my thought process was, as long as we hold underneath 201, I'm going to keep holding this and see if we can break underneath $200. See, I switch over to my daily chart right there. And I know 200 could be a potential support zone. These candles right here bounced off of 200, 200 resistance, 200 resistance, 200, 200, 200. So it's a level. It's a level on the daily. It's an important level. So if we crack under it, we could get some good downside. If we hold it, then, you know, we can reverse. Whoops, I reversed 10 seconds. Okay, so we're back at it. I'm still in 2 contracts. They're going off at 230. I want to sell 1, but I was trying to sell 1 like in that 240 to 250 zone. It would have been real nice. Take profit. But I mark it out right there just because I didn't have time to input a limit order there. I'm going to test the hotkeys on this thing. They don't look too customizable, but I might test them out. So I get rid of 1 contract right there, and now I have 1 left. And I'm going to see what we can do with that 1, as long as we stay underneath 201. Right here, we break up above 201, and I cancel that order. I mean, I exit that last contract. You'll see it happen right here. Boom. And I exit those at $2 from 162. I'll take it. You know, nice day, nice trade. I'll show you my orders here real quick. My very first trade, I lost $111. But then I came right back. Boom. Sold the first 5 at 218, 3 of them at 140, 1 of them at 63, 1 of them at 36, $346. Green on the day. So that right here was over a $400 trade. And now I'm up $346 on the day. And that's how I like to end the week always, especially on such a slow, choppy week for me. I'm still going to keep watching this. I think I might not trade it, but if I do, it'll be much smaller size. And I'll definitely tweet it. As you see, this 90 MA hasn't crossed up over VWAP just yet. It's still bouncing around. And these contracts, oh, good Lord, they're at 71 cents. Time decay is starting to eat into these because they are same day expiration. Let me know how you did. Hope you had a great week. I hope you have an excellent weekend. And remember, Monday we have a holiday, and I'll catch you on the next one.